First, please scan the QR code to download Tuya Smart app. Then open the app, and follow app instructions to create an account. Open the battery cover and turn on the camera. And the blue light is flashing slowly. Turn on the Bluetooth and Wi-Fi of your mobile phone. Then open Tuya Smart app, tap Add Device in the middle of the homepage. Tap Camera and Lock, then tap Smart Camera, Dual Band. Tap on the upper right corner to switch to Wi-Fi mode. Tap Next Step, and choose AP mode. Select your Wi-Fi network and enter your Wi-Fi password. Tap Next. Tap Go to connect to go to Wi-Fi settings. Then connect the camera's hotspot Smart Life. Return to Tuya Smart app. Wait about 1 to 2 minutes. When the camera is added successfully, tap Done. Press and hold the setting icon to turn on the clock. Press the setting icon to enter into time settings. Then press plus or minus icon to adjust the time, and press setting icon to confirm. Press and hold the bell icon to turn on or off the alarm. Press the bell icon to enter into alarm settings. Then press plus or minus icon to adjust the time, and press bell icon to confirm. Press and hold the plus icon to switch 12/24 display. Press and hold the minus icon to adjust the brightness of the display, 2 levels. With the camera on, do not remove the battery. Press and hold the reset button with the tip of a pen until you hear a beep. Then the camera is successfully reset.